Hey guys, how's it going? So a quick little video here with a recap on your important loci skills. So loci is when we're drawing stuff using a compass and a ruler. So I've got four main parts to this video. If you want this as a PDF, there's a link to it down below the video in the description. So the first thing that we need to know how to do is find the loci of points a certain distance away from a point, so a single point. So to do that, say that we wanted the loci of all points that were 5 centimeters away from a single point. We set our compass to 5 centimeters, put the pointy end on the point of which we're trying to find the loci of, and then draw the circle around it. So here, for example, with this guy, if I had set my compass to 5 centimeters, I would now have a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. Now, anywhere on the circumference of the circle is 5 centimeters away from the point. Anywhere inside the circle is closer than 5 centimeters to the point. Anywhere outside the circle is further away than 5 centimeters. Okay, next up we have the loci of points away from a line. So again, say that we wanted the loci of points 5 centimeters away from a line. Again, we set our compass to 5 centimeters, put the pointy end at the end, on one of the ends of the line, draw a circle, then put your compass on the other end of the line, draw a circle there too, and then join the tops of your circles together, and then everywhere within that whole shape, inside of that shape is less than 5 centimeters from the line. Anywhere on the perimeter of this shape is exactly 5 centimeters from the line. Okay, next up we have the good old perpendicular bisector. So if you want step-by-step instructions on how to construct these, I'm also putting a link down below the video in the description to my loci and constructions playlist, where I take you through step by step how to construct this. So be kind, it was the very first video I ever did on a tablet. So perpendicular bisectors are how we find the loci of points that are exactly the same distance from 2 points. Now this might also be worded as equidistant. Equidistant means exactly the same distance. So let me briefly go over how we construct this guy. So you don't have to draw a straight line between your 2 points, but I quite like to, so I do. What is very important is that you put the pointy end of your compass on one of the points, A or B, doesn't matter which one first, and you have to open it so that it's definitely wider than the midpoint of the line. So as a rule, I'd usually go about 3/4 of the way along the line. Then you want to draw an arc. So say here, we started by putting the point of our compass on point A, then we've drawn now that right hand arc. Then we want to do exactly the same from point B without changing the size of your compass, very important that, and then draw another arc. Now what you want to do is join together those 2 points where the arc meets. So here that's my red line. So everywhere on that red line is equidistant, or the same distance from point A as it is from point B. Okay, then finally we've got angular bisection. Now we bisect an angle either when we want the loci of points that are equidistant between two joining lines, so here AB and AC joined together, everywhere on the red line is equidistant from each of those lines, or when we want to find regions that are closer to one line than another line that are joined together. So in this example, everywhere above the red line is closer to AB, everywhere below the line is closer to AC. Now again, if you're wanting step-by-step instructions on how to construct this, there's a link to my playlist down below in the description. So I'll take you through it briefly though. So to bisect an angle, first of all put your compass point on the point where the two lines meet. Then you want to draw an arc any size that goes through both of the lines. So here, that's my green arc. Then what you want to do is move your compass point so that it's on one of the points here where my green arc cuts the blue line. So let's say we go for the top one first, put the point of your compass on there, and then we're drawing another arc over and to the right. So that's my top purple arc here. So then we do exactly the same from the bottom point where my green arc meets my blue line, drawing that other purple arc. What we're after is that point where the two purple arcs meet. We then join that point to the angle, which here gives me that red line. So again, what we've done is bisect the angle, cut it in half. Anywhere on that line is equidistant from AB and AC. Anywhere above is closer to AB. Anywhere below is closer to AC. Okay guys, hope that's helped. Take care.